classified.
Ben, I wanted to tell you.
That's why I went to Kate.
It was the toughest period of my life. She was there. She was my partner. There's no excuse for what happened after that. I've been sorry about it ever since. I'm not blind and following orders anymore. I'm sorry. Yeah.
We have an emergency call for the truck depot.
Yeah, I'll check it out, thanks.
Thank you for telling me.
I love you.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to startle you. I came to check up on Ben. How's he doing?
You don't have any children of your own, do you?
Brad and I have not been so blessed.
You do realize that Ben is our son and not yours.
Teresa, we are on the same team.
Are we? Because I'm starting to feel like every single thought that you put into Ben's head is somehow meant to undermine us. Let's just be honest here. You've got an agenda, and I want to know what it is.
You're starting to sound a little paranoid, Teresa. I simply believe that the children of Wayward Pines are the future of Wayward Pines. And to that end, I try to be as helpful as possible.
Helpful right now would be for you to stay very far away